Hello everyone, welcome to another Shopify tutorial video. In this tutorial video, I will show you how you can fix Shopify store currently unavailable. So you have a couple of fixes for this. It's not only one fix and it's not only one error when this happens. So basically what you'll have to do is you'll have to see if the Shopify website is down. You can go this by just typing in "is Shopify down" on Google. That's the first fix. Now, if it's down, you will need to wait a little bit until your Shopify store is back up. Now, obviously, I would say the most popular issue here is, if you're a new Shopify store owner, one reason why your Shopify store cannot be found is because of your domain issues. So if you have domain issues, if you're within a process of changing domain or updating the same domain, that can be an issue as well. Remember, if you have just changed your domain DNS, it takes up to 72 hours for the DNS settings to be fully propagated. Now, next up, files accidentally deleted. Now, sometimes when you're deleting unwanted files, you might end up deleting important files accidentally. So additionally, downtime can arise after uploading your store or adding collections, new pages or products. So again, these two scenarios are very, very popular. They happen. Either import system files were deleted or the new pieces of code added are referring with your Shopify store functionality. So make sure to check that as well. Now, obviously, it can be file CSV uploads. When you're uploading CSV files in bulk, it is common for column initialization. Now, as you can see, you can also have failed CSV uploads. So make sure you also check that for that as well. And obviously, it can be incompatible apps or teams. Now, a lot of different fixes are here. But if you have a really specific problem and if it's not on this list, you can go and you can contact Shopify customer support. They always help. They are always on time. And it's a really great communication with them. So if you want that, you can do that. Obviously, hope you guys enjoyed this video and we'll see you in the next video.